No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I will make a strong broad first guess with a well-known movie that gives useful year, rating, genre, actor, and director information. I am accepting the cookie banner, selecting Inception from the drop-down, then clicking the guess button because enter does not submit. Type card is green. Guess title was Inception, which is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is farther than 2 years older than 2010. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is within 0.5 but lower than 8.8. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi show no overlap. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, released 2007 or earlier, IMDb about 8.3 to 8.7, not action, adventure, sci-fi, and not involving the listed Inception cast or Nolan. Type card is green, so the target medium is movie. Inception feedback says the target is older than 2007, rating is lower than 8.8 but within 0.5, with no action, adventure, sci-fi, no Inception actors, and no Christopher Nolan. C7N is a movie from 1995 rated about 8.6 with crime, drama, mystery, and useful Fincher, Pitt, Freeman overlaps, so it fits the known constraints and is a strong candidate. Type card is green. Guess title was C7N, which is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is farther than 2 years older than 1995, so 1992 or earlier. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is within 0.5 but lower than 8.6. Genres crime, drama, and mystery show no overlap. Actors Morgan Freeman, Brad Pitt, and Kevin Spacey show no overlap. Director David Fincher shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, released 1992 or earlier, IMDb likely 8.3 to 8.5 from combined rating hints and excludes action, adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, mystery plus the listed actors and directors from Inception and C7N. Type card is green, so target medium is movie. Latest C7N feedback says the target is older than 1992, rating is lower than 8.6 but within 0.5, and has no crime, drama, mystery, Morgan Freeman, Brad Pitt, Kevin Spacey, or David Fincher. Combined with Inception, it also excludes action, adventure, sci-fi, Nolan, and its main actors. Once Upon a Time in the West is a pre-1992 movie around 8.5 with Western genre, fitting the rating and avoiding the excluded genres. Type card is green. Guess title was Once Upon a Time in America, which is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is further than 2 years older than 1984, so 1981 or earlier. Rating is green at 8.3, so the target rating is 8.3. Genres crime and drama show no overlap. Actors Robert De Niro, James Woods, and Elizabeth McGovern show no overlap. Director Sergio Leone shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, released 1981 or earlier, IMDb rating exactly 8.3, excludes crime and drama along with prior excluded genres action, adventure, sci-fi, mystery, and excludes all listed actors and directors from the 3 guesses. Type card is green, so target median is movie. The latest row says the target is older than 1981 and has exact rating 8.3, with no overlap for crime, drama, Robert De Niro, James Woods, Elizabeth McGovern, or Sergio Leone. Prior rows also exclude action, adventure, sci-fi, mystery, Nolan, Fincher, and the listed actors. Singin' in the Rain is a pre-1981 movie rated about 8.3 with comedy, musical, and romance, making it a strong fit that tests new non-excluded genres. Nice, the answer was Singin' in the Rain, solved in 4 guesses. The key clues were locking in a movie with an exact 8.3 rating, then narrowing to an older pre-1980s title where the winning row revealed 1952, musical, comedy, romance, Gene Kelly, and Stanley Donen.